Welcome to Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, where beauty meets progress. Via Google, we just type the cleanest state in Africa, and the result, Akwa Ibom State. Akwa Ibom State has been named as one of Africa's cleanest subnationals in a listing by the highly influential online site that tracks environmental and tourism issues inside Africa, tagged Top African Cleanest Cities 2022. Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, was the only state named in the report. Scrolling down, we select which state is the cleanest in Nigeria. Let's see the result. Yeah, the result, Akwa Ibom State. Akwa Ibom rated Nigeria's Africa's cleanest state. An international non-governmental organization, Clean Up Nigeria, has announced that Akwa Ibom State has won the Cleanest State Award 2022, saying he has maintained the first position in the past 4 years. Wow! In this video, we will take you on a visual journey through this remarkable state to showcase its stunning natural beauty and remarkable developments. Akwa Ibom is a state blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, from its tranquil beaches to its lush rainforests and pristine waterfalls. It's a paradise for nature lovers. But it's not just about nature, it's also about progress. Akwa Ibom is home to the Akwa Ibom State International Airport, connecting the state to the world through Ibom Airline. This state-of-the-art airport and airline have opened up new possibilities for business and tourism. Akwa Ibom is forging ahead with industrial development. The state is now home to a growing number of manufacturing companies, providing jobs and boosting the economy. These companies are driving innovation and economic growth. For sports enthusiasts, Akwa Ibom offers world-class stadiums that host thrilling sporting events. These state-of-the-art facilities showcase the state's commitment to promoting sports and entertainment. Akwa Ibom's hospitality sector has also seen incredible growth. The state boasts fine hotels and resorts, providing a luxurious and comfortable stay for visitors. These hotels are a testament to the state's dedications to tourism. Akwa Ibom State recognizes the importance of education. It's home to the modern educational institutions, nurturing the minds of future leaders and contributing to the intellectual development of the state. The state's healthcare sector has seen remarkable advancements with state-of-the-art hospitals and skilled healthcare professionals providing quality care to residents.
Thank you for joining me on this channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe and the notification button below so that when we post a video like this, you can be notified. Thank you. Please like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.